Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this color is so pretty. It looks a lot, it looks the same. It looks lighter on camera. In person, it's a little darker. Oh my god, look at this. So I ordered a B6 Moterm firm pebbled in Beetroot. I think that's what it's called. Beetroot. I don't know if I'm saying that right. But this color is just so pretty. It's like this purple red, but I don't know. The color is so pretty though. So I got B6 since I already have an A6 Moterm, and I have been eyeing this color and the fuchsia color, but they don't have a B6 fuchsia, so I went with this one. And this color is so pretty. It feels really nice too. So I just have this notebook just to that feels nice. And then you get the back pocket, a little pin loop. Here, let me look at my actual B6 Moterm. Okay, so there is a bit of a difference. This one's a little bit more, I wouldn't say rough, because it's not it's super rough, but obviously this is just pebbled. It's super soft and squishy. This one's just a little bit more, I don't know how to describe it. It's just a little bit more tough, but it's still squishy and really nice material. But yes, so I have my A6. I got this one a couple of years ago. It's just their basic black Moterm. I really love this cover. I really wanted a B6 size because I really love this size, and I'm thinking of doing or using it for my journal. So I have to cut down some notebooks, but I do have this that I cut down. It is pretty janky, I ain't gonna lie. It fits around it. That fits, but I'm not gonna use this journal. Okay, so I thought I got a few notebooks in this B6 size. So I have this cut down Kimbor that I don't even remember when I cut this down, but It was an A5, outdated Kimbor. I took out the pages that I used, as you can see, and then clipped back some pages. But I have that, and then I do have a couple notebooks in here already. So I have this Jibun Techo. It's an A5 slim, but I cut down to B6. I just like pretty much cut a little bit off at the bottom, and that's that. And I can have this for my to-dos. I can have it for whatever. So we're here. And then honestly, if I really wanted to, I can just use these pages for notes, or I mean, honestly, I don't know. But I do have that. And then I have this notebook that I had cut down as well. This was like about the same size as this. The brand of this journal is called Poppin'. I got it from Amazon. And I've had this cut down for a while, but I just have not used it. And it's a B6 size, so I thought I could use this as my journal. And so I have that and this. So that's what I have so far, and I don't know, because I really, you know, look like Kindle, but I don't know if I want to use that right now. I have this, but I don't know how I'll be able to use this. And then that way, I have some storage and some more storage here. And my journal. Okay, I'm excited now. Because at first I was like, oh, I don't even know how I'm going to set this up. But okay, so that's all I really wanted to show. Show like the journals I had. I totally forgot I cut this down, but I'm glad I found it. So I guess we'll see how this ends up, or how this turns out. I think I'm gonna set this up, go in my living room, sit down, set this up a bit. I don't feel like sitting in my office right now because it's kind of hot in here, and I want to go sit and hang out with my boyfriend in there in the living room. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I can leave the box in there. But yeah, that's it. That's all I wanted to share. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.